Have you ever wondered how to make a field read-only dynamically based on a team membership of the person who's currently logged in? Hi, I'm Scott Valler, a Senior Solutions Architect and Consultant with Excalibur Data Systems. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and grab the record ID of the new Cherwell admin team that I just created right before I started the video. We're going to go ahead and use the System Analyzer to go get the team ID, which is the record ID of the team itself that we care about. Copy that off. And then we're going to go ahead and pop over to the admin tool because I want to be able to show you how to set the read-only. We're just going to go ahead and create a new blueprint. And the first thing I'm going to do is create a new stored expression. And I'm going to put it in the none context in global. I'm using the none association specifically so that I can access this expression from anywhere in the system, no matter what business object I'm touching and working in at that moment. It's purely tied to the record ID of the Cherwell admin team and the currently logged in user. I usually make a folder for these membership ones because I tend to have a number of them in a new system as I'm building it out. And in this case, we're going to say is member of Cherwell admin team. Now I'm going to paste it in the description so that if this ever gets messed up, I don't have to go look for it again. And the way that this expression is going to be built out is it's going to be the current user's record ID is a member of this team. And the way that this was designed was it's based off of the record ID of the user and the record ID of the team. So this globally scoped non-context expression is going to tell us, is the currently logged in user a member of the Cherwell admin team? Let's first start by showing you how to make a field read-only if you're not a member of the current owned by team. We'll go ahead and pick description, we'll edit it, and we'll come up here to properties, and we're going to make this read-only based off of an expression. In the incident context in Blueprint, I'm going to go ahead and make a new folder, and we'll call this membership. I'm going to go ahead and put my new expression here. And is member of owned by team. And we're going to go ahead and grab the system function that says current user's record ID and is a member of. Now I'm in 10.1.2. And in this version of Incident, they've renamed it to assigned to team. And so here in the system folder, I'm going to grab the assigned team ID. This expression is going to say, is the current user a member of this assigned team? So in this case, what I have right now is that this field is read-only if you are a member of the current owned by team. Now that's exactly opposite of what I'm trying to actually accomplish. But I like having the stored expression so I can use it over and over if you're a member. So in this case, I'll just do a quick custom expression where I embed the stored expression is a member, and we'll say that it's not true. So in this case, it's read-only if you are not a member of the owned by team. So that's how you would set the attribute on a field dynamically based on whether you are a member of a team or you are not, as far as the owned by team goes. Now, let's go ahead and let's just make status, just to pick another field. Let's make it read-only if you are not a member of the Cherwell admin team. Well, that's pretty easy at this point because we created that stored expression in the none context. So we'll go ahead and browse out to the stored expressions. We'll change our context to none, and we'll go find that expression. Now I put it in the global folder so that I could use it in the scheduler, I could use it in email monitors, I could use it in places where I'm not creating a blueprint. So in this case, I want to say it's read-only if you are not a member of the Cherwell admin team. I hope that helps you out. Have an awesome day.